project that we have for several years. I'm welcoming all of you. Thank you for coming and joining us. We will have the opening song by Devasri Bhattacharya, and she will also do the invocation before we start our regular meeting. And then we have several speakers. Two of them I don't see yet, Ramen Nandi and Khurshidul Islam. Both are members of Aviswas. And then Shubho will present an office setup, social media, internet traffic, and Wikipedia. All these things will explain. And then Priyatosh Dey will speak, and Dilip Nath. And after that, we have the Sachi will introduce the speakers and the guests, and the guests will be given a chance to speak, those who will be here. And if someone else who is not on the list would like to talk, they are welcome. And then after that, refreshments will be served and there will be socializing. Thank you.
Good morning, Suprabhat to everybody. Saturday morning.
Afternoon already.
Sorry. I am running behind. And pardon me for my rough voice. Anyway, it is the first time we are doing ISPAT open house for suggestions and feedback, and we will let you know what we do as a ISPAT organization. Now I am going to introduce a very talented singer, Dr. Devasri Bhattacharya. She has a very lengthy biodata, but I will make it very short. She had her PhD for Indian classical music, and she graduated All India Radio and TV artist. She is actually singing for Indian classical, semi-classical, and light music. But she is very much talented because she does sing in different languages, which is mainly Bengali, Punjabi, and Hindi. So you can hear from her one of these days all three languages. And she actually went to school for music from Pandit Devdas Ganguly. She learned ghazals from Ustad Alauddin Khan and attended summer workshop under the guidance of legendary Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. She had received numerous awards. I will mention a couple of those. One is awarded Saraswati Samman from United Nations very recently in 2011. And then Pride of Nations, she got that award in 2005 from India. And it was given by the Honorable Chief Justice of India for her contribution in Indian art and culture. So with that, I will now introduce Devasri for her music. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shefali Dostila, for such beautiful words. I'm glad to be here, and this is my pleasure to be a part of this program that gives me the immense opportunity to interact with such learned and nice people out here. I would like to start with the chanting of Upanishad that's also quite relevant so far as the spirit of this organization goes. So without wasting any more time, I'll start with the Shubho.